So keep the department into row section and year into column section, because row section can have more number of elements because of its orientation. Okay, so looking better to read now, right?
Yeah.
Now, ultimately, you want to understand.
Actually, hope you can see that. So when I created a range of service with the active years, it's coming to cluster too much crowded is there. If I want to group this my departments, so I just forgot how to do it, like the grouping of the department. If I want to group some departments,
Group
Okay.
some departments into one.
yeah,
Club them.
suppose some production department I will make so that the so much crowd is showing in the screen. So maybe the crowd will be
Okay, I would like to mention something here.
yeah.
Do not put too many things in the visuals. Visuals are good when you have limited number of elements. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, if you click on the first chart, the top
Yeah.
one or the bottom chart, pick any one. Okay.
Yeah.
You are having the service range, you are having years, you are having department. There are three things, and it will be difficult for anyone to take something out of this chart.
Okay.
Now, you first explain me in a couple of lines what do you want to see, and then we
I
can.
want to see department wise the service range of the people.
Department wise service range of the people.
Yeah.
Okay, so first let us make a duplicate of this page. Right
Okay.
click page 4 and make it a duplicate so that we can explore some areas. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And delete the bottom chart, delete the bottom one in the page, duplicate page, delete the bottom chart. No, not this one, the bottom
Yeah,
chart.
this one. Yeah. Okay.
Just select and press delete. Yeah, remove.
Yeah. Yeah.
And convert the upper portion into a table or matrix. Okay. So we have years in service, we have active employees. Okay. Active
Department.
employees is number of department. Okay. Now here, make it a matrix. The next icon, this is a table. That next one is matrix. Now you can see year is there in rows and department is there in columns. Which is more in values? Which is having more options? Department is having more options.
Department. Yeah, more options.
So keep the department into row section and year into column section, because row section can have more number of elements because of its orientation. Okay, so looking better to read now, right?
Yeah.
Now, ultimately, you want to understand, okay, who is making like which age group this is age. Okay,
Age group. Yeah.
years of service, not age group.
Years of service.
Okay, so what you can do now, if you try to create a chart, none of the chart will be good because too many values are there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
But you can go for, let me take a control of this. I can take, yes, I can take. Now I will use conditional formatting. Whenever data is more in terms of
Yes.
variety, and
Yeah.
you still want to use something visual, then conditional formatting is something that. So what I will do, I will go to this drop down next to employees, active employees, and here conditional formatting is there.
Okay.
And maybe I will go for something like background color. Okay.
Yeah.
And then it is showing me this gradient. Okay. Now here the higher number of people are like the higher number of people
Production.
are good or bad.
It's a department wise actually.
So let's just keep it
Yeah.
or we will keep it starting from red. There's no need of red because this is not negative as such. Let's keep it purple only. And when I click OK, the lighter color represents less number of people and higher color represents dark purple.
Yeah.
Higher number represents dark purple. So this can give you some guidance, okay, on like where 0 to 2 years, 52 people in production department. Then these are also a little bit lighter, like a little darker, okay?
Yeah.
So 20, 19, and 17. So this is your like area of importance, or maybe the user's attention can be grabbed to these elements. These are all kind of zeros. And again, to make it better, what you can again do, avoid
Filter
zero
it.
elements. So active employees, if it is greater than 0, then only show me 0 and apply. So your list becomes smaller.
Yes, smaller. Yeah.
Okay. So this is my starting point.
Okay.
Now, if I try to make this, I will make a duplicate of this, Control C, Control V. If I try to make a stack chart, maybe this one, what is happening, years in service, that should be department, and legend should be years in service. Okay, so this can be my another angle which I would like to see. And if I make it bigger, so you can see 0 to 2. So which department is having what color? this can be another representation. But because you are still having too many age brackets or the years of service, I would still not go for this. Maybe this is even better. Okay. Ultimately, you still need to understand, okay, active employees by department and years of service you want to represent, but why? What is the message which you are trying to convey out of this chart?
Oh, no, which department having the more experienced people want to see?
Which department is having the more experienced people? So this is the most experienced 15 to 19 and 10 to 14, right? Or maybe greater than 20. Okay. This is coming earlier. So first, that is a good thing here. Where is this aging? Somewhere.
Age range.
Age range, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And from where it is coming? In Excel?
Yeah, Excel.
So try to name it in such a way so that it becomes in chronological order.
Okay.
Because people will find it difficult to read, okay, greater than 20 is coming first, and then the 0 to 2 is coming next, then 10 to 14 is coming. Okay. So try to create it in such a way so that it becomes easy to read for anyone. Chronological order. Smallest range first, then next range, then next range. Okay. Because mind will immediately go if it is sorted properly. Okay. How to do it? Maybe you need to go in Excel and then change it. Okay. Now, why it is currently showing like this? Because characters come first, then comes numbers, and then comes text. Okay. So look at this. So this is having a character, special character. So that's why it is coming first. After that, 0 is coming. After 0, 1 is coming. But it is 0 to 2. So
0 to 2.
You have 3 to 5, right?
Yeah.
But because it is a text format, so 1, like 1, 0, 1 is considered before 3. 1, 5 is considered before 3 because it is a text. If it was number, then it would be fine. So you should mention it like 03-05 so that it becomes uniform, because 03 will be always earlier than 10.
And actually, this is coming from our software, downloading from the software actually.
This is coming from your software. So what you do over
ERP
here,
software.
But it is still there in Excel or what?
Now it's in Excel, but
the source of this file is Excel or what?
Excel.
So you can do something in Excel, right?
Yeah.
In that case. Okay. Another thing which I can give you is maybe here, if you go to edit query, I think your Power Query window is open, but somewhere else in another window, you have two screens, I guess. Or maybe you shared only Power BI. So just share it again as a full screen, and then I will show you some options. Here is, I will go for Power Query, which was that column.
Service range, year of service, maybe.
Years in service. So if we look at the values over here, 0 to 2 is fine. Okay. Greater than equal to 20. So first I will mention this 03 and 06. Okay. So how to do it? Let's find this value and I will replace values. Current value is 3 to 5. I will say 03-05. Okay. So 03 is lesser than 10.
Yeah. Okay. Understood. Yeah.
In the text format, 3 will be considered higher than 10 because 1, it focuses on the first character only. Okay. So that part is done. You can see 02 and then 03 is coming now.
Yeah.
Because of my numbering. 10 is coming next. 6 to 9 I can again fix. So where is 6 to 9? Any 6 to 9 value? If it is easily you can find, then it's
6 to 9.
This is fine. Again replace, and I will just mention find Control A, Control V, and I will mention 06. And I'm just telling you a process which is very simple. It may be more steps, but it is simple to adopt. Now, when we look at the drop down, you can see 03, 06, 10 is coming, 15 is coming, and then greater than 20 is also coming. I don't know greater than 20 will work or not. Greater than equal to space 20. Okay. Any person who is greater than 20?
One guy is something.
Only one guy?
Yeah.
Founder? Anyway, I will try to do it here. I will take greater than equal to sign and I will say more than. Okay. Why I'm saying more than? Because more than is a text. It is not a special character. Special character comes first in the sorting. Okay. But my meaning is still same. And now when I close and apply, you can see 0, 2, 3, 6, 10, 15, more than 20. So it becomes very easy for the person who is reading the report to look at the numbers, that this is the highest range and there is only one person in this range. Clear?
Yes.